and then they will enter the blood circulation to achieve the purpose of anesthesia. The benefits of inhalation anesthesia can be summarized as these points. First of all, it's precise and controllable, because compared with the injection anesthesia, inhalation anesthesia is controlled by the vaporizer, not by our hands. So the output from the vaporizer was stable. The drug concentration can remain stable throughout the experiment. And because of this characteristic, the animal can wake up in time. If we do the injection anesthesia, the recovery time may be prolonged due to the overdose. And the application range is also very wide. So it is suitable for lots of long-term experiment. In addition, most anesthetics have low toxin and side effects. The most important thing is that the inhalation anesthesia can meet the requirements of animal welfare, and there is no risk for rejection. Next, I will introduce our small animal anesthesia machine.
小雨，你稍等一下啊，我补充一点，你回到刚刚的那个就那个麻醉那里。Actually, this is a method for inhalation anesthesia, but in the market, the customer they may use injection anesthesia. Yeah, but for the our anesthesia machine, we use inhalation anesthesia. So this is this difference between the inhalation anesthesia and the injection anesthesia. Yes. Yeah, that's true. Okay, 小雨可以继续。
Yes, let's go on. This picture is for the whole gasway from the system. We can see the gas source forced into this part and be adjusted by this flow meter in liter per minute. Then they go into the vaporizer and mix with the liquid anesthetic.
It's okay. 没事，小雨你继续。
The liquid anesthetic, for example, isoflurane or the sevoflurane, then the anesthetic gas will go to this toggle switch. This switch can help us to switch the gasway to the chamber for induction anesthesia, or go to the mask for the maintenance anesthesia. This way is kind of different. It is controlled by the oxygen flush button. It's for when we finish the introduction anesthesia, we can use this way to flush the airway to provide the waste gas still into our laboratory. This picture is for the whole system. And when you're connected the system up, you can use this picture. And we can see it consists of this part, the gas source, flow meter and vaporizer, and then the chamber and mask. Finally, is the gas recovery system. First is the air pump. You can see on your table is the blue one. And at the back of the air pump, you can see the out and in. You should connect the out end with our anesthesia machine. On this side, it is and we write oxygen here. You can see. the air source we usually provide is this air pump, because in some small animal like rodents usually have low demand of oxygen, so it is enough to use air as the air source. And when we use the large animals, the gas source can be changed to the oxygen. We can provide this one, the oxygenator. This one is safer to use in laboratory than the high pressure oxygen bottle. Can you connect this one with the anesthesia machine?
现在连吗？
You can connect now or finish my introduction.
OK，那等一下再连吧。
Okay. And this part is the most important part for the anesthesia system. This flow meter is used to adjust the flow rate of the gas source. The unit is liters per minute. And because of the molecular weight of the gas is different, so when we use another gas like the nitrous oxide or carbon dioxide, we should change our flow meter. This green one is for the oxygen or the air. And this yellow one is for the carbon dioxide. And this vaporizer is used to adjust the concentration of anesthetic gas. So we can see this part and this part. These two parts are different. This one is adjust the flow rate of gas. And this part is adjust the concentration of anesthetic gas. This one is the gas, this one is anesthetic gas. So it's different. We have a zip lock here. You can touch it now. This zip lock design only by pressing it down you can adjust the concentration. And this part is the dosing port. We usually use the port fill type or the easy fill type. And when we use the easy fill type, we should use a dosing adapter. And the sealing is better than the port fill. And there is a formula for the anesthetic, which can calculate how much anesthetic will be used per hour in our experiment. We can see the dosage depends on the flow rate and the concentration. This one is the concentration, and this F means the flow rate of gas. For example, if we do the experiment in 2%, and air and oxygen flow rate is 0.6 liter per minute, the consumption of the anesthetic will be 3.6 milliliter per hour. And here are two functional buttons you can see at your anesthesia machine. This one can control the gas pass to the chamber or mask. If we up down, the gas will go to this way. And this part will connect to the chamber. So this end connect mask and this end connect the chamber. You can control the wave through this toggle switch. This one is the oxygen flush button. It can fill the gas source into the gas path for flushing the gas path or animal first aid. And the gas and the airflow speed can reach 10 liters per minute. Here is our model. The classic one is the R500, and you can upgrade the mobile type R530, and you can upgrade the 5 channels one. It's called R550. And here is our chamber. Yes, the chamber is a closed box. We need to put a rat or mouse in the chamber, and the animal will inhale a large amount of anesthetic gas during the induction anesthesia, so they can quickly go into sleep. And because the chamber always fills with a large amount of anesthetic gas, we make its sealing very good, and it's easy to observe the state of the animal. And here you can see here right inlet, and here right 2 canister. It means this end connect to the anesthesia machine that we talked about before. This end, this right chamber, so we connect to this end, to the inlet. And this part right, 2 canister, so we use a pipe to connect this chamber with our canister. You can use both small size or the large one, both okay. This canister is used to absorb the waste gas in the chamber. And this is the mask. You can see we have several types of masks, and each of type with a different size to match mice or rats. And I will talk about the difference between these 2 types when we finish the introduction of the gas recovery system. So let's go into the canister. We have 2 sides of canister. This is a small one, and this is a large one. It is all filled with the active carbon, so it should be replaced when the canister is full. This small size weighs 250 grams and can absorb 50 waste gas, about half a bottle of anesthetic, and the large one weighs 800 grams and can absorb 200 grams waste gas, absorb 2 bottles of anesthetic. This one is called gas evacuation apparatus. This machine has 2 main functions. One is weigh the weight of the canister and alarm for replacement when it is saturated. And another function is it can actively suck the anesthetic waste gas as the mask to prevent the waste gas leakage. So let's we go back to the mask. These concentric tubing masks can use with both canister and the gas evacuation apparatus, but this cone mask can only use with a canister. Because these 2 masks have different structures, I will show you. If we look carefully, we can see this is a small tube inside the big tube. And here is a distance from the small tube to this black one. And our mouth is put at here. The nose is put at here. And if we connect the gas evacuation apparatus here, the pump will, the huge flow rate will directly pump the anesthetic gas anesthetic gas will go into this pipe and directly pumped by the gas evacuation apparatus. So the mouse cannot get the anesthetic gas. So this coin mask can only connect with this canister. But if we use a concentric tubing mask, this inside tube of the concentrate mask is flush with the outer opening. So the mouse can directly get the anesthetic gas. Is that clear?
Any question? About the mask. Actually, we're really, yeah, we have 小雨回到上一章，就是那个口罩，对对对，actually we have 3 models mask, right? Yeah, and for this one, cone mask, that is this one. Yeah, this one. There only one channel, so that just can connect with the animal like mouse, rats. Yeah, so so the animal, they just can not active gas. Yeah, because they just only one channel. Yeah, this is one kind of mask, and this one. Yeah, this one mask that can connect with the animal and also can connect with the ventilator. Yeah, the ventilator can provide the active gas to the animal. Yeah.
And I will introduce the solution after the whole system.
Yeah, maybe Jerry will introduce more in details about this this mask in solution for you. I think that will be more clear. Yeah, because if you just see the mask here, you may do not see the solution, so that's not easy to understand.
I just talk about is these 2 type mask. This one can use with the gas evacuation apparatus, and this one can't use with this. Yeah. Because the structure is different, and I just introduce the structure. So now you may clear about the gas evacuation apparatus used with this.
So we are discussing like whether should be directly use the mask or just use chemical first and then mask like that. So for the easiest part is use chemical first and then use mask, or can we just directly use the mask? Yeah. Directly. But let's say if the animal is so active, then we just put into the chamber first, and then let it sleep, and then we just take it off and then put it to the mask and we do our things then.
It's okay. 小雨继续。
Okay. And if you want to do more than one animal at the same time, just let them all inhale the anesthetic gas. It means we only need to divide the anesthetic gas into several parts through the pipe. This adapter will distribute the gas path evenly. And this double channel flow meter can adjust. We can adjust each channel from this double channel flow meter. Yes, and the 5 channel is the same. We only need to divide the gas into 5 parts. We can use this to divide into 5 parts, and airflow will be evenly distributed and cannot be adjusted. Or we can use this 5-channel flow meter. This one can adjust each channel. And the waste gas can be recycling together with this device. This device can make 5 gas way into 1 and connect to the canister. And because this mask is the concentric tubing mask, so we can use with this gas evacuation apparatus. This one is a coin mask, so we cannot use it. We only use the canister, like I have mentioned above. If we use the 550, each channel can be controlled individually by this 5 switch. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each one you can control the off and on. And here we have a small flow meter only for the chamber. This flow meter is suitable for the scene where some animal can do the induction anesthesia in the chamber, and another animals do the maintenance anesthesia at the mask. If we use this 500, we cannot do the chamber and the mask together. We use this 550, we can do this. This end connect the chamber, and this end connect 5 masks, and we can adjust the flow meter to divide some air to the chamber. And these are 2 solutions that Chloe have mentioned. We can use with the ventilator together if the animal not breathing well. And when we use the ventilator, we should change the mask to this endotracheal tube. When we connect the anesthesia machine with the ventilator together, the gas will be the anesthetic gas, and the gas will go into animal by this endotracheal tube. And the waste gas, we should use the gas recovery system. And also we can use the anesthesia machine with our stereotaxic. We only need to replace the anesthesia mask to this stereotaxic mask. The mask will connect to this end, and the gas will flow through this tube to this place, to this mask. So we only need to change is the mask. This one is change mask to the ventilator. This one is change the mask to the stereotaxic mask. We only need to replace this part. The gas source, the machine, and the recovery system, we don't need to change them. And next, I will briefly introduce the large animal anesthesia machine. In fact, we can see the large animal anesthesia machine is the same as the small animal anesthesia machine. The only difference is this part, the rebreathing circuit. Only this part is different. And we mentioned a formula for the anesthetic before, which shows that the bigger the gas flow, the greater the consumption of the anesthetic. So we know many large animals like the cow and the horse have a very large tidal volume. And in order to save our anesthetics, more than the animal weight more than 7 kilograms, we should use the rebracing circuit. The carbon dioxide in their breath will be absorbed from this part, and another gas will go through this part, and the animal will inhale them again. So it can help us to save lots of anesthetic. And here is the solution of large animals. It's including the ventilator and the monitor. And here are some features about our products. The first is safe. We know that inhalation anesthesia can have many advantages, and we have this safe lock design. Then we have the gas recovery system. It can help us to absorb the waste gas to protect the environment and our health. And for stable, the concentration scale of our vaporizer is calibrated by the laser, and each vaporizer is inspected at the factory instead of sampling. It means we will check the vaporizer one by one, not for only choose one of them and do a test. And in terms of application, because we have a wide range of mask chamber, so we have a solution for the rodents, cats, rabbits, and dogs. And our mask is suitable for the MRI environment. This teacher is do the MRI experiment here. And the mask is into this room. And anesthesia machine has been sold as our important product for many years. So now we have nearly 2,000 users all over the world. And there are more than 40 articles about 10 points, above 10 points this year. And this part is some user case. This teacher from Finland University recommended our anesthesia machine. She said our machine can give a stable output and have simple operation, so it saves a lot of her operation time. And in 2020, we donate some large animal equipment to protect the panda in China. You can see here is our anesthesia machine, and above this is our monitor. And in Peking University and Nanjing University, they bought a lot of our mobile type to save the laboratory space. They also use with ventilator together. This picture they use with the stereotactic together and do the experiment for the rabbits. And here is all my introduction. Do you have any questions about the machine?
The full system for the large animal anesthesia. Yeah, I want to see the picture. You show it too fast. The full picture.
large animal.
Large animal.
OK， 小雨回到那个大动物麻醉期的那个图片，那个解决方案。再往下，再往下。Yeah, this is a large animal anesthesia machine. Slide T.
30.
30. 上一张小玉。上一张。Yeah, this one. Yeah, this is the method for large animal anesthesia machine. Yeah, this is the principle for the gas, how to the gas into the animal body.
Actually, this part is same as a small anesthesia machine. Only this part, this rebracing circuit is different from the small animal anesthesia machine. Only this part. This is same as the small animal. We can see it from here.
Yeah. Actually, the principle, like I can share with you. This is the anesthesia machine, right? And this is the air pump. Then the air pump to provide the air. Then we have the tube. Yeah, we have tube. Okay, yeah, we have a tube to connect here. Yeah, and connect here and to here. Yeah, to here. Then to provide the air to the chamber. Yes, and then to the chamber we have a tube to connect. Yeah, okay, sorry, here. Yeah, to connect here to the chamber, right? Okay. Then the air and the anesthesia air combination then into there. Yeah, into this kind of chamber. Okay. Yeah, into this chamber, and then we just put the animal here. Put the animal in this chamber, right? The animal will get anesthesia. Okay. Yeah. Then we have a mask like this one. When an animal gets anesthesia, then like the mouse, their nose connect here, right? Yes, and we have another tube to have to connect here. To connect here to provide the anesthesia gas animal. So the animal can get anesthesia all the time.
For the mask, there is air pressure from this, right? So the air from the outside cannot hit.
If use this kind of mask, the mouse they can't active gas.
I mean, there's air pressure, so there is no leak gas or leak from outside the nose, right? Around the nose side.
Yeah,
okay.
That's true. For another mask that can connect with a ventilator. I'm sorry, there's not have.
The fan star, right?
Yeah.
I want to ask about the use for the fan. You said it can include with fan star or ventilator. So I cannot understand clearly what is the function for the fan star or the ventilator.
So basically, the ventilator, the function of the ventilator when we have the air pump. What is the difference between the air pump and the ventilator? Is it if we use the ventilator, the animal will wake up quickly or quicker, or than the air pump?
Because you said there is a O2 flask, it can make the animal wake up too, right? Yeah. So what is the difference from O2 flask and
the ventilator?
Kayaknya yang di sini itu tuh untuk ngebersihin udara yang di dalam chambernya. Jadi sebelum dia dipindahin ke mask, keluar kan berarti di meja bedahnya, ini harus di flash dulu.
Oh gitu. Soalnya tadi di note-nya ada tulisannya dia flash itu bisa buat bikin dia wake up juga. Berarti kalau ditambah ventilator lebih cepat banget.
Iya, lebih cepat saja. Is it true right that if we use the ventilator, the animal will wake up quicker rather than we just use the airport?
Actually, use the ventilator is to provide the air to the animal, then they can breathe. They can breathe, but they also in anesthesia.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Bernafas lebih baik.
Yeah, so the combination between ventilator and the
So
cone
is
itu
this one is
supply the oxygen.
different function for the
Yeah, because if some professors they want the animal always still alive. Yeah, so they need the ventilator.
Oh iya.
To provide the gas for breathing.
That's
Makanya
exchange.
dia
Yes, that's true. But if they do not need the animal arriving, so they do not use the ventilator.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I see the 30 white slide?
小雨，下一张。小雨，对。
This one?
Calcium light is for calcium light.
calcium.
This one?
That's the difference.
Calcium lime?
That's the difference from animal, right?
Yeah, that's the difference. Because this one for in here.
So the other small animal didn't need the calcium light.
Did not need.
Calcium light itu fungsinya itu buat apa?
what's the function of the
Calcium light. Kenapa dia
Actually, that one can get carbon dioxide. Yeah, because for small animal, we need it. We use this one to get carbon dioxide. Because the animal they breathe, there will be some carbon dioxide.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so for small animal,
Yeah.
CO2.
Yeah. Carbon. Yeah.
Yeah, so this one can stoke the CO2. Yeah, but for the large animal, they do not this one.
Oh, because the size only 250. What tadi ya?
Yeah.
So because there is no size from the waist can, we use calcium light, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Very good.
Okay. Jadi kalau yang RWD nggak ada, karena ini ukurannya kecil-kecil kan, jadi mereka pakai kalsium buat ngebuang waste
limbahnya.
Because for the large animal, will get many CO2. Okay. Only they maybe they can stoke all of CO2.
Okay.
So we need this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
If for the large animal, the oxygen level is a must, right? Or no? Oxygen level.
Okay.
小雨，那个白色的那个是必须的吗？
白色的是哪个？
那个对，就是那个。
这个。Oxygen generator provide oxygen for the large animal. If you have oxygen bottle, you don't need to buy this one. But this one is more safe than oxygen bottle, because oxygen bottle usually have a high pressure, so some laboratory teacher don't want put the bottle in their laboratory. This provides the oxygen. Because some large animal demand the air, demand the oxygen, not the air.
Okay. Excuse me, John. So for the oxygen generator, we did apa? Kita nggak harus pakai tabung oksigen kan?
Oh, okay. So for the oxygen generator, right? Is it a must that we must have the oxygen for the large animal, or we can just use the like?
Iya, jadi kalau pakai oxygen generator itu perlu nggak pakai tabung lagi kan?
Oh,
Kita
enggak,
biasanya
enggak.
oksigen
Enggak,
pakai tabung kan? Jadi
enggak.
cuma oxygen generator kita nggak perlu pakai tabung.
Enggak.
Hemat dong gitu.
Iya. Okay, it's okay.
You got it. You got it.
Yeah, okay. So with oxygen generator, we don't have to buy oxygen
Tank.
Tank, right?
Yeah, if you have that, you do not need to
Yeah.
buy it.
So if I have oxygenator, I don't have to buy oxygen tank, right?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
Depends. Depends.
yeah, depends.
Depends.
Yes.
So another question is, just now you mentioned regarding the CO2, right? If we want to euthanize or we want to the animal using the CO2 because we avoid the bleeding, can we use it, this machine? I mean, like, because just now you mentioned there is a CO2 regulator also, right? Can we use that?
Automatic.
No, I mean like, let's say if we don't want the animal, but we want to terminate the animal, we want to kill the animal, but using the CO2 because we don't want the animal to bleed.
Yeah.
Yeah, so can we use the CO2 regulator and then put it inside the chamber and kill the animal there?
I think that can.
Can?
Yeah, can. Okay. Yeah, just put the animal here. Yeah, then they want to get oxygen, then they will get that. Yeah, put here.
Yes.
Okay. And any questions?
Yes, just one more.
Yeah, sure.
And then for example, we want to infect the animal with the virus or with like a smoke research. Can we use the air pump to do that?
Air pump.
Air pump, this one, that one.
Air pump.
Yeah, let's say if we want to do a treatment or like vaccine for influenza or SARS-CoV-2 like that, can we infect the animal using this, connect into this, and then we put the virus in and then deliver it inside the chamber to infect the animal?
Sorry, let me check with Joy. 小雨，就是客户说，就是他想要做其他的实验，可以直接用这个 air pump，然后连接这个 chamber 嘛，然后这边连接其他的气体，然后在那个 output 再连接这个 chamber，可以吗？
Why not connect the gas directly to the chamber? For example, you can directly connect the CO2 to the chamber by flow meter.
The flow meter.
Yes, you can use the CO2 gas source and connect to the flow meter, and then the flow meter can adjust the CO2 flow rate. Then the gas go into the chamber. You do not need the air pump.
You can use the plummeter. Yeah, you just connect here and provide the carbon dioxide. Then
yes,
connect the chamber. Then the carbon dioxide will be here. Yeah, so you do not need the air pump.
Okay, I mean if we do like, for example, like cigarette smoke research. Yeah, cigarette smoke research regarding the effect of the cigarette smoking. Right. Want to transfer that smoke into this chamber. Then how can we use one of this equipment to transport the smoke to the chamber?
You mean for the large animal? Or...
No, I mean like, for example, we use mouse, and then we want to study regarding like the effect of the cigarette smoke into the animal.
Cigarette
smoke into the animals. Yeah. So connect the air pump here directly to the chamber, and we deliver the smoke from here. Is there any inside it like that?
Okay.
Chloe，我听他们的意思就是，我们这个 air pump 是没有那个就是过滤的系统。如果他们去输送的是 cigarette smoke 的话，我们机子内部可能就转坏了。
Actually, there's no filter in the air pump. Yeah, so you maybe need the filter. Yeah, you need the filter to connect the chamber. Yeah, because this is one just to provide the gas. Yeah. Oxygen and air.
Carbon monoxide, we cannot use it.
Carbon dioxide.
Monoxide, I mean CO.
小雨，这个空气泵可以提供二氧化碳吗？
不是the in and at the air pump can absorb the environment gas just in your room, so it can't provide the carbon dioxide.
Yeah, because this is air pump, so that just to provide the air. Yeah, so no carbon dioxide.
And
Yeah.
now the one is for the
If you put the air pump in a room filled with the carbon dioxide, maybe they can provide the carbon dioxide. But in your room, there's all the air, so they can only absorb the air and pump it into the anesthesia machine.
Yeah, if your room full of carbon dioxide, maybe they will get the carbon dioxide. Yeah.
So for virus study, right? For example, like we want to study regarding the virus like influenza because it's airborne. Then can we have the purified influenza in the air? For example, in the can.
In the can.
Yeah. Then can we connect it to the air pump into and then deliver it to the chamber to transfect the animal with the influenza virus?
小雨，你听懂了吗？
他说话声音比较小，你跟我说一下。
直接连那个空气泵和这个chamber可以吗
？The flow rate is too high. Too high.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's not recommendation. Yeah.
Sure. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Joy. Any questions? Okay. Any questions? Can you? It's enough. OK. 小雨，你可以去那个展厅，就是展示一下那个就是全部连接好的那个麻醉机是什么样子吗？
我手机我电脑直接那个 Zoom 那个前摄像头吧，要不就不用。
可以啊。
不过现在可能有点吵，因为12点了，很多人。
OK， 没关系。
Wait a minute.
And Joy will show you the home sets in our showroom. Yeah, like how to connect the tube, how to connect the chamber. Yeah, okay, just wait a little minute.
This device is for anesthesia, right?
Yes. Also, you can see the picture in my PowerPoint. There is a picture for the whole system setup.
小雨
I will turn on.
Okay, just wait a minute.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Show you the anesthesia machine. Yeah.
Thank you.
小雨。
等一下，我的鼠标有点卡。
OK。
开了摄像头是不是看不到啊？我是不是要停止共享先？
你可以直接分享你的屏幕啊。
因为我开了摄像头，然后现在又卡住了。我卡住了，现在。
Maybe Joyce, the laptop gets a little problem. So, I mean, Joyce, yes. Sorry about that. Just wait a little minute. Okay. 小雨，你有视频吗？
我开了以后，它这个 Zoom 就给卡掉了。要不你手机打我那个微信的视频行不行？
打你的微信。
行，因为我现在它这个未响应了。我看看能不能。
Okay, and maybe you can say from.
Yes, my computer can't work. So
What about that?
I will use my phone.
Yeah,
breakfast for the
I will introduce my one. So this one is air pump. Yes, you write in and you write out. This in it means it can absorb the environment air from the room, right? So we don't need to connect any pipe. We need to connect the pipe with this out end to the, and you can see here, right, and oxygen. Yes, you use the pipe to connect this pump out and with this end. And we can see the back of our machine. This is, we just connect and the gas will flow into this part and goes through to this part, our flow meter right here. So you can adjust the flow rate by our flow meter.
This one. Yeah.
Do you finish your connect with the pump and the machine?
Kalau kan harus
You finished?
Okay, sorry.
Yes, and here is our vaporizer. See here, right, inlet here. Can you see that inlet? Yes, and this side mark outlet here, inlet and the outlet. This part is connect with the flow meter pipe to let the gas flow into the vaporizer. It's inlet. Yes, and this outlet, wait a second. This outlet connect this tube to this part. I will connect this pipe already. Yes. And here is a toggle switch. You can adjust to
Yeah, toggle switch. Yeah, we
mask
can.
or the chamber. And yes, and this place will write the mask, and this place will rewrite the chamber. So you only need to use the pad
Yeah.
to connect.
Yeah, like
with the chamber.
yes, like if you connect with the chamber, you just switch to chamber.
Chamber inlet here. The inlet connect to the chamber here.
Yeah, to the port.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. These two plates connect together. And this place, right, to canister, you should connect with the canister.
Yeah, this one.
We connect the last one. You can also connect with the small one.
Yeah.
Both okay.
This one connect with this one.
Yeah.
Use this big tube. Yes, use this big tube. Because the end of this is big, is larger than this part. So we use this tube to connect the canister. So we finished the connect about the chamber, and for the mask. The mask, you can see this is a whole type of the mask.
Yeah, this
Is that clear? I think it's very clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's clear.
yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, the whole size is like this. Yeah, the whole size is like this.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so sorry.
This okay, and I just said that if we use a cold mask, we cannot use with this gas evacuation apparatus because inside tube, this small tube, you look inside here. This small tube is connect with the anesthesia machine. So if we connect this one, the gas will directly pop away from here. Yes, so we only use with this canister. Yes, and we can adjust the flow rate of the gas evacuation apparatus from this knob. We usually adjust to this place. It marks and this place is about 30 liters per minute. The max is 60 liters per minute, and this screen will show the flow rate in real time. Yes.
Okay, and sorry,
And you put the large canister on this machine, then you can weight it.
yeah, you can get what's the weight of this?
Oh, with that one under the canister.
Yeah.
The distribution can weight how much the weight of the canister.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
Okay. So if we use canister, it will be make more lighter, right?
No, it's getting heavier.
Oh, here. Oh,
Yeah.
kembali lagi ya. Sorry.
Okay, and this is the ventilator. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Oh, sorry.
Bye-bye.
Sorry. I just want to share this with the ventilator. Sorry. sorry， 不好意思，刚刚不小心点到了。我就想给客户展示一下那个 ventilator。Yeah, the ventilator. Yeah. 小雨，你给大家展示一下那个。
Yes, and you can put the cool mask in the platform.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, and here is our ventilator.
Yeah, this gets in.
Here is a place for the air in, and if you want to make the animal get the gas, you can connect this end with our anesthesia machine. This mask or its chamber is both okay. If you connect to the mask, you just put the toggle switch to the mask. Connect to the chamber, only put it to the chamber. Yes, both okay. You can connect to this end, and the gas will flow through this pipe, and to here. Here connect the endotracheal tube. The tube will put into the animal mouth. So if you usually the animal have some long disease, the teacher can use ventilator and endotracheal tube to get the anesthetic gas directly into their lung. Yes. And this tube here, it also have the inlet tube and outlet tube. The outlet tube here will finally go back into our ventilator to test some air pressure. And out here, if you connect with the anesthesia machine, the out air will be the anesthetic gas, right? So we need to connect this out to the canister. Okay. We have some adapter and pipe to help you connect this end to this end. Yes, they will finish the whole connect about the anesthesia machine and ventilator.
Yeah. This is the home site of the anesthesia machine.
This is the five channel flow meter here. If you wanna do 5 mouse experiment at the same time, you can use this 5 channel flow meter. You can see here. Here is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can use 5 masks to end one by one. And there will it's the anesthesia machine. The anesthesia machine will connect to this, and this 5 will connect to 5 masks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there will be get into one through a device in my PowerPoint. It's like a black one can put the 5 tube in one. In my PowerPoint, I just show the device. The Chloe can introduce the device to you.
Because
we don't put the device to our show.
Okay. Sorry, 我解释一下这个。Because we have 2 models of anesthesia machine. The one, as you can see, they just 1 channel. So that for single channel for 1 animal, and we have another model for get 5 channels, so they can use for 5 animals at one time. Yeah, and 小雨，你看一下那个flow meter，就刚刚那个多通道的。Yeah, and another solution that you can choose 5 flow meters like this. Yeah, so that can instead of 5 channels anesthesia machine, so that's just 2 solutions to the customers. Like if they don't want to buy the 5 channels anesthesia machine, they can buy 5 photometers to achieve 5 channels at one time. Yeah.
So we can control its individual.
Yeah, that's true. Yes. Okay, then 小雨。
So can this can be used for the other? Yeah.
This is our stereotype testing here, and this is the tester, and here is the mouse for the stereotype testing.
Yeah, this is another.
Some during experiment, you can use this mask.
Yeah, this mask for the connect with stereotype. Yeah. That's connect with the anesthesia machine and the start taxi. Yeah, that's another solution.
They have 2 type too. One is for inlet and one is outlet.
So this new should connect with anesthesia machine, and this is then connected to the gas recovery system.
Okay, sorry. 差不多。Okay, and that's the introduction of this solutions. Yeah. So do you have any questions about that?
So, if you want to stop us from the hospital employee, it's not whether just stop it up. Or because I just right in some of the news that if we buy it and we stop it up, then the weight can increase because we use it for
Yeah, that can store.
storage.
That can store.
Also after we finish this, if you block.
Actually, this is consumable.
Ya, I mean, jadi kalau misalnya tadi saya dipakai, langsung ditutup, apa masih nyambung sama ini nggak apa-apa gitu ya.
So, for example, after we do one animal, and then we still have this one not in the maximum volume.
Yeah.
Should we just leave it connect to the anesthesia machine, or can we just take it out and then put it into storage? Yeah.
Okay.
Because we are afraid the air will become it will in air it will be
It will
waste.
increase the weight.
Yeah.
OK， 小雨就是那个过滤罐，如果是用完之后呢，要把那个管子拔掉储存，还是说可以直接连着？哎，小雨，
用完就直接把罐子换的新的。
不是，就是它只用了1只老鼠，但是它还没有满容量。
就它只要没有饱和，你就一直放那儿就可以了。
要连着管子吗？要连着管。
连接状态就可以
了。that can connect with the anesthesia machine.
So after you use it and we turn off and it still connect to the anesthesia.
Yeah.
And it's okay. Will be air like or air in like that.
Yeah. Because if that connect with the anesthesia machine, but not connect with animal, they won't get carbon dioxide.
Okay.
So this will not get work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Itu keunggulannya sama anesthesia lain, tapi
What is the difference between this anesthesia machine and other?
Yeah. 小雨介绍一下这个我们的麻醉机和其他品牌的区别，就是主要的亮点。
Actually, I just mentioned we have this C-block design. Have you tried this button?
Yeah.
When you press down, you can adjust the concentrate. And if you don't press this button, you cannot open this vaporizer.
It will be locked.
And our scale is made by the laser. Yes, it's made by the laser.
Yeah. So that can ensure the accuracy.
Our factory will test them one by one. We'll test the whole vaporizer one by one. And our vaporizer can use in the extremely wet environment in 15 calorie 那个我不知道摄氏度还是华氏度他们用的，就是我们低温能低到15摄氏度，很多品牌都低不了这么低的日数。
Okay.
10度到10度。
For the temperature, our device can up to 50 Celsius degree, but another brand can't do that. Yeah. Okay, sorry.
Kalau komputer lain nggak ada sistem lock-an. Terus
Okay. Actually, for the anesthesia machine, we have 20 experience in this kind of product, and get some achievements. Like we get #1 market share in China and the #3 in global. Yeah. So for the computer, just Harvard and the Kent. Yeah. So Harvard and Kent. Yeah, Kent. So the biggest difference is this one. Is this one because this is a Cortex anesthesia machine.
Okay.
Yeah, so for our device, we try our best to ensure the accurate of the concentration.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the biggest difference with another computer.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, as you can see, we have a lot of amount of the mass and the chamber.
Okay.
Here is the chamber for the rabbits and cats. You can see it's very large, and this mass is for the large animal.
Oh,
Yeah, so
jadi
we have
ukuran the size of the chamber is can bigger.
Yeah, can bigger because we have many models for chamber.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah, for
But
different
for this small animal,
Yes, this is oxygenator.
maximum 7 kilo.
This one is
Kan
oxygenator.
kalau yang large animal tadi saya 100 kilo. Kalau yang
Yeah.
animal maksimal kilo.
This C, but you can get 5 channels and the single channels, but this one is C.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the maximum weight of the animal that we can use this?
In this small animal, in the
Small animal anesthesia. The maximum weight.
1
What kilogram of animal I can? The weight of the animal.
yeah. So for the large animal anesthesia, it say that for a maximum 100 kilogram, right? Yeah, for the large animal. And for the small animal,
How many
maximum
kilogram?
for how many kilogram?
Two. Yeah. One is a single, another one is 5 channel.
Okay. The single one is 2 kilograms. And the multiple channel?
Multiple channel for five channels.
Yeah, I mean, just now you mentioned in the slide, right? For the large anesthesia channel,
Yeah.
for the large anesthesia animal machine,
Yeah.
it can anesthesia up to 100 kilogram of animal.
Yeah.
Yeah, for this one, how many kilogram is the maximum of the animal?
小雨，那个小动物麻醉器的最大动物重量是多少？10千克是吧？喂，小雨。Hello， 小雨。Okay. Actually, for the small animal, the minus weight is 10 kilogram. Yeah, 10 kilogram. Yeah, but for the big animal anesthesia machine, that's 100 kilogram. Yeah.
Yes, for the large animal anesthesia machine, that we use the calcium line.
Yeah.
We add the calcium line.
At the large animal, it gets like a chamber. Like a chamber is, yeah, you just open. Yeah, just open it and put the
Calcium line into the chamber.
Yeah.
Gimana calcium line?
And when we freezing now.
Yeah, and
Kalau yang buat large animal. Oh gitu. Aku kira dipasang di sini. Kabel-kabel.
yeah, that's consumable.
I think.
Yes.
I mean, how the dose how much the dose that we put into the chamber for the large animal anesthesia machine.
We recommend do not more than 2 to 3.
2 to 3%.
Percent or
Yeah, percent. Like 1, 2, 3. So do not
also to add the
yeah.
So 100.
annexation machine. Any questions?
For this one, isoflurane.
No.
Can we use other than isoflurane?
You mean for other brands?
No, other
Change
chemical.
the vaporizer for
And then what the function of this button?
Yeah,
Other
we
chemical.
should
That
change
means
the
stop
vaporizer.
button. That means
Yeah, I mean like
when we
this one
start
is
the
usually we use
auto function,
isoflurane here.
and when we want
If
to
we
stop
don't want to use isoflurane, we have like other drugs or other
emergency.
something else. Can we use it or?
actually we more recommend use isoflurane. Yeah, because for this device we test many times the isoflurane is the best.
Jadi abang beli untuk sekolah ya bisa buat. So it just for isoflurane cannot use other another.
We more recommend the isoflurane.
Okay.
Yeah, but for another we
Okay.
should to test that
Yeah.
to ensure that's great.
For the bottle of isoflurane, we can use another brand, right?
For the isoflurane, you can use any brand.
Konektornya ya.
We recommend the famous brand.
Okay. Yeah, the famous is the expensive.
Yeah, because for the annexation machine, RWD is the number one in China and the number three global. So besides this three brands, we do not recommend other. Yeah.
Very safe for our
Easy
Easy
tell.
Easy deal.
Yeah, it is not to put the
Connector.
Okay,
Yes.
so is there any maintenance that we need to take care of and we need to pay attention?
Yeah, for the device, actually, you just need to test this one.
and
This one.
start
And
the
we recommend the test
but
3
this
years.
time is in emergency.
Yeah, just to ensure the concentration of the annexation.
Okay.
Yeah, this
Okay, so
So
for
just
for
this vaporizer get
we need to send you we need to send that to the RWD.
yeah, or maybe our after sales team can train it for your
technician.
Technician,
Our
yeah.
technician.
Yes,
Oke.
yeah, then you can.
Kalau misalnya kan, kalau misalnya kita jalanin, dalamnya tuh kan pasti masih ada gasnya isoflurane, entah di sini lah, di sini lah, gimana lah gitu lah ya. Nah, tadi kalau misalnya kita mau bersihin biar gak ada isoflurane bisa. Oh gitu. Aircon atau ini?
Airconnya dinyalakan terus ini di kalau ini nggak
Oh,
nyala.
jadi bakal bersih sempurna.
Yang digunakan.
Terus nanti kalau kita nakal pakai yang lain
Kalau pakai saya taruh itu.
Yeah.
So for example, after we do the essential in animal, how do we clean? Clean this equipment. Do we need to clean like this also or something like that or?
No, just need to clean this chamber. Yeah.
Oh.
This one is not
Because we can
no
remember
need.
this angle.
Yeah, because the carbon dioxide is here, so there's nothing. So just use this, and you can put like a paper here, like what? Like paper, yeah, paper here that puts the animal.
So to if they urinate or poop like that.
Yeah, you got it.
I won't be able to also.
Yeah, and maybe you can have a look about the microphone.
Thank you
For this platform and this local.
Okay, jadi for the specimen will be go forward or backward.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for the whole function, that means we are focusing. So to the 28,000
Okay.
situations. And this situation you have memory situations and close to this. Okay. untuk memposisikan si itu.
Tapi itu kalau otomatis kan masih bisa ini.
Even though this is a full automatic, but we still can do manually.
No.
Or not? I mean use this knob to section.
Oh
yeah, still can do manual. Jadi kalau misalnya otomatis bisa, mau itu enggak. Ya Pak, bisa jadi mau kayak gigi bisa kok.
Below them means because when we not use these functions, we should run the hand wheel one cycle. D will have one piece. But when we start this function, that means we should run the half cycle.
For the half.
Yeah.
Oh, half. Only half.
Only half, so we
Yeah.
should have one piece.
Apa namanya? Naturally it will cut off. But if you use this one, it will cut off, right?
No. No, we only should run the hand wheel half a cycle. From the travel car to 6 o'clock, that means one car one piece. So it's very to for the 3 minute session. We should like this.
Biasanya muter satu, tapi dia cuma gitu doang. Iya, benar.
We not use the hand for the hand wheel on this like this. Very hard. So we start this function. We only choose this.
Oh, oke. Biasanya, jadi kalau setengah itu untuk apa sih? Beli apa sih?
Ya.
Baliknya. Jadi setengah putaran untuk turun, setengah putaran untuk naik.
Kan biasanya kan satu gitu kan langsung gitu kan semuanya. Ya, nah ini tadi dia setengah dulu apa nih?
Oh, di ini setengah itu untuk turun, untuk putaran untuk naik. Satu irisan. Kayak iso itu kan juga kecil kan.
Jadi lebih dari satu. Oke. Oh iya benar tuh bawahnya ada satu puluh tuh bisa.
Enggak kan lingkaran nih dari sini.
Iya. Bisa tapi lebih berat.
Setengah lagi pisaunya naik.
Oh ya. Seperti ya. Di bulan itu pas mau melewati ini berat. Kalau ke sini ini kan.
Oke, introduce.
Oke,
sure.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Everyone, the terrain for RWD, and I'm going to introduce the safety evaluation method of our county's medical and facility department of the education scenarios and product functions. First we should understand what is the evaluation method. So in the therapy section is to observe, judge the morphology of the structure of the cells, animals, and humans. After presentation, digestion, transparency, embedding, and other variations. The animal tissue with thin materials which are not easy to apply to puzzle and are easy to perceive. Are selected into thin fields that are easy to observe, receive those method. So this is a good significance of our hospital center laboratory and the scientific research state and can so many different programs for us. For this machine, we have 4 product highlights for the safe, precise, intelligent, and convenient. First, we have high precision sample system included close fairness combined with 5-phase high resolution, center model, and the lead field made of elevation and luminance to ensure section clarity.
And for this part, the right part is handwheel. For this, we have human-made double locking design of the handwheel. For this lock, can we lock at the 12 o'clock? Only this situations. And for this part, can lock at any positions. Like this. We cannot move with the handwheel. So we can, when we move this machine to the other room, we can lock this lock. And when we lock the handwheel, we can hear the more sound to reduce the resting material.
This is the unique design of our microphone. Yeah, compared with another brand like the whole.
Yeah. And for this part, the stand is extremely long on the left side. We have two knobs. Integrated with the machine or dynamic feature convenient for our operation. And this knob can adjust the parameters for the trimming or section. That's it.
Yeah.
And for this knob can control the stability, go forward and back forward.
Okay.
And this knob has another function for the fully auto one. When we press it now twice, we start working the auto functions. Yeah. But this function only for the fully auto one. When we press it now the one time, so let's stop. Okay. And for this part is our blade holder, and we can move the blade holder, and we can see the yeah. And for this, we can move this, so we can use the blade for the any part. For this can put the blade in it, so open this. And this part is our stability. We have vision point on top of the sample. Is our unique feature compared to other brands. And we can turn this knob and rotary this knob. We can control the setting left and right, up and down. And we can remember this angle for 10 times. The lower part is the waist track. Yeah, waist track. It's magnetic function is distortion and self-fixation. Keep clean up. And the next part for the touch screen, we have 5 touch screens, and the integrate all software operation in one. And you can see the trimming, action, the parameters, and for the menu, we can control the parameters. And for the we have history core system. Yes, this is our feature. We have with 2000 air law and operation law are story in the information changing and receiving information. You can see the details of the time and use the USB to for all laws. Can we delete can we reset the operation law? Reset, yeah.
Or delete. Yeah.
You can, yeah.
You can output the data, but we do not recommend to delete that. Oh, okay. Yeah.
And So this is the functions for the single auto one. For the fully auto one, we have functions. Other functions for the these color windows functions. That means you can control the velocity for the auto sections. So you can write this. Yeah, when the sample close to the blade, we can write this. Open these functions. So that means when the blade close to the sample in this distance.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it will cut it slowly. And when the sample release to the blade, it will fast. Okay, and for the fully auto one, we have 4 models. For the single, continue, intermediate, and multi. I will introduce you one by one for you. For the single, that means you start the auto function, then we will cut one piece.
Okay.
And for the continue is yeah, we start with the continue stop, start working. Until you create system. And for the intermediate, that means when you figure predicted non-price and you non-release you figure, they will start working continue. And when you release you figure, it will stop. And for the achieve, that means you can according to the total clarity and total thickness you want. Yeah, like this clarity 20 piece. Then we'll cut 20. Program. You need the motif. If you can change the service, you can change.
Yes, every we set up.
No, you can change. You can now change.
Program. We definitely have a special program of the design, so we can just start the program and we should set up the program
No, we only can adjust the calculation.
Every time we want to use it, we should set up the program.
Yeah.
Itu berarti bisa diganti nama ya kan?
USB? No, for the switch. For the auto functions.
Auto function.
Yeah.
So to get the data, log data, using
Yeah,
USB to export the.
It will for the operation log and AM log.
Tapi nanti berarti bisa diganti namanya kan ukuran potongan hati, ukuran potongan dalam inti.
Oh, itu yang preset.
Yeah, we know this.
Rename at the computer.
Yeah, you can use the USB to export.
So cannot rename in this.
Can we make a special protocol for instance? Oh, so there is no like a preset preset program. So if customers want to have deeper tissue, for instance, they want to cut like 5 micron, and we set the preset, so just recall the preset program, no need to set up.
Yeah, so from the protocol log, for the operation log, we can just put it. Jadi kalau misalnya kita tinggal dari operator log, bikin nanti dia bakal peserta aman itu nggak bisa ya? Nah,
set the parameters, but set it, and then once they want to use the same issue, they just recall the
yeah, from the operation log,
program.
How to? Sorry, but for the microphone, we don't have this function, but our price that has this one. Apa yang bisa? But if you set the like the this task, then you just click the home. Click the home. Yeah, then this one will go back to the hour. Yeah, from the start. Yeah. But for the laboratory, maybe they know what's the tissue of what's the thickness of the tissue of the back. Yeah, so they can know that, and also the angle. So that's no need to install the program. Oh. Yeah, because the tissue, you know, the model are mostly same. So he know the thickness. Yes. For the part that we can install
the preset.
Okay.
Yes, we got it. Yeah. That's true. Okay, and any question about that?
Right? She's the sales there, the veterinarian agency, and so and hilangnya veterinarian.
Yeah.
Ini mau beli kan?
Yang begini itu punya otomatis, dia cuma tahu ngomong karena besar. Tapi kalau kayak gini bentuknya nggak kayak otomatis,
kita punya yang biasa juga, nggak ada yang
nah, tapi kan maksud aku, berarti kalau yang biasa nggak ada layar ini?
Ada.
Oh, tetap ada.
Nggak ada A-nya.
Bedanya?
Otomatis.
Nggak bedanya A namanya. Ini buat stop darurat.
Bentuknya mirip persis, cuma nggak ada ini.
Oh, gitu doang.
Iya. Semuanya.
Oh.
Tuh, ya kan dia jalan sendiri tadi. Kan beli kan. Oh, ini nggak ada. Ini juga ada food switch-nya buat kontrol.
Maksudnya buat gimana kontrol?
Buat panel.
Buat kontrol mesinnya.
Ya, buat jarak.
Malas banget ya.
But I didn't order the food panel. I didn't order the food switch. Optional, right?
Oh, optional. Okay.
Yeah, we have
Cuma dia apa trauma gara-gara apa gampang rusak terus habis itu dia nggak ada ininya nggak alat yang rusak itu nggak ada ininya yang otomatis itu
Oh ya, nggak ada handle-nya.
yang rusak itu loh makanya dia trauma ini ya tapi kan dia tuh bukan
Nggak
rusak
ada
karena nggak punya
handle-nya. Jadi dia langsung jalan
makanya
sendiri.
dia bilang aku lebih suka kayak gini nggak ada kayak gininya
Nah, kalau kayak gini kan dia bisa begini.
maksudnya kalau kayak gini kan
Ya dua.
Iya kan? Kalau ini dia bisa manual, bisa auto di
iya
ini ya. Kita bisa dong kalau ke sana. Oke. Deal. One unit ya? Deal. Oke. Kapan? Delivery. Ini nggak ada stok.
tapi mendingan kayak gini alatnya udah setelah mau kasih ke kantin
Di makanya ini dari ini.
oh ini dari
Iya.
oke
Unit.
kalau yang itu semua unit yang buat ini pun sering kelihatan di mall mereka belum punya ini belum bisa ini mau lihat ke perusahaan bisa dia tapi maksudnya itu ditunjukin berarti suka deh sumpah iya dong itu sama bundanya foto doang kan itu cita-cita dia nanti lo lihat temen aku ini jangan tahu rumah oh bisa ada dua yang dia ini kalau kata gue dia tahu belum ada soalnya dia ada ininya dia kan pengen ada ininya belajar lampu bisa lah tapi kalau di belajar lampu ayo
Sama mama. Sama juga kita sama siapa? Kan
Udah Pak. Kalau ini dia empasnya
solve the problem, we will call you.
kalau yang sanggup buka aja.
I've ever seen my friend who they often do FFPE, something like that. I've ever seen I don't know where does the machine come from or
Yang mana?
I don't know whether they but it's kinda it was manual I guess these days. Oh I actually have to like that so I was excited when sorry what's your name? When current showed us
Ya jangan
the
saya.
automatic mode.
Yeah, that's so that can
So you can work without tripandu. Without the die. Tripandu?
Oh, sorry.
No, no. This was zooming. Focusing.
There's a how to say focus.
Focus.
Yeah. That is.
Oh, fokus ya. Oh, ya ada.
Autofocus pada.
Oh, this one zoomnya.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Normally, you will get to one cycle, then
For the non-tap panel and the tap panel model, for the counting the total and live sales and bad sales. Yeah.
TP stands for tripandu.
Tap panel. Yeah.
Tripandu.
sometimes like when we use this mode, you have to
Okay.
do this
Salah.
some repetitive. And then that, then we got the one slide. Yes, yes. So that's selnya kebacanya sampai ukuran berapa? Sel darah bisa nggak Mas? Bisa, ada sel darah.
Oh, ada red blood cell.
Oh ya. Kalau yang seperti kayak sel darah kan itu namanya kayak ya yang eritrosit sel darah merah. Kayak yang leukosit itu sebelah sini deh. Eritrosit.
Enggak, itu warna. Pada darahnya mereka tidak berwarna, terus kita warna.
Jadi harus di staining dulu. Enggak, berarti kan ini cuma sel darah merah. Eritrosit kan sel darah merah. Nah, sekarang kan ada kayak monosit, leukosit sebenarnya nggak bisa. Iya, kalau bisa diwarnain biasa bisa.
Enggak lah. Kan itu bikin perpara darah aku.
Iya, tahu ya. Kalau yang ini diwarnain bisa nggak? Sama cara ngeluarinnya gimana? Oh, tapi agak nyangkut. Agak susah, Mbak. Agak sih menyangkut. Oh, ininya khusus ya. Berarti ini consumable-nya. Ya, consumable. Ini just for the red blood cell or what kind of cell can we use in here? The thermal and the nanotech can use all consumable.
I mean the cells type.
Yeah, cells.
Cells type. What kind of cells? I mean any cell.
Like
Cell line.
thermal machine and the nano and tech machine can use thermal pressure.
How is the SIBO?
You mean the cell line?
The cell line. Yeah. What kind of cells?
Okay. For the machine, most cell line can count. Yeah, most cell line. Oh, okay. Okay.
All kind of cell. All kind of cell.
Most.
Most.
Yeah, most. Most berarti pertanyaannya apa yang tidak bisa dibaca? Coba. And the range is 4 micrometer to 30 micrometer. I mean the size of cell. This is just including this range that this machine can count. 4 to 60 micrometer.
60 micrometers.
Yeah. Of the cell.
The size.
Yeah, the size. And this one is the C100. That equipped with Florence cube. Like here. Like here that can. Okay. Maybe I need some device to open it. Yeah, just
Twice this.
yeah, you can put a Florence cube here.
How to put the cube Florence?
Maybe I need a device to open it. A device to open it. 可爱，这个怎么打开？Just yeah. Then you can put the Florence cube here. Yeah, -2 Florence cubes. -2. Yeah, 2. You can put 2 Florence cubes. Yeah, but we have three models. You can choose 2, then put here. Yeah. But if without the Florence cube, that can count with bright fields. Yeah, bright fields. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. And so the operation is really simple. Like you use
Pak Rex yang untuk di Darmais kan ada tambahan chipnya. Tapi yang
Upgrade to Florence. Already nggak ada. Ya udah kan berarti.
This is right?
yeah, right.
The AB with like what on this side?
Yeah, because this 2 chambers, so you can use 2 times. So you can inside here.
Yeah.
Inside here. Yeah, and after that you can use this part.
So for this side, this one, they read B side.
Yeah.
And if this one, they read A side.
Yes.
If we just fill the A1, the A part is okay or not?
It's okay. It's okay. But
so the B side we still reuse.
yeah.
Oh.
No, reuse.
I mean the B1.
Yeah. The
So if we just use this one, and then the next day I want to use this one, the B can with different cell.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but for other brands, they maybe only 1 chamber. Yeah, so just one use once.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many microliter of sample is that?
How many?
Microliter of cell that could be.
2. Let me think. 20 to 4,000. I'm sorry. Maybe I have to check it.
Okay.
Sorry.
Dia bisa tahu live and date-nya. Oh, jadi kalau diwarnain bisa.
Nanti kalau ditambahin prefab dulu, dia bisa kasih tahu yang
Warnanya
lifestyle-nya.
yang boleh pakai prefab dulu.
Iya, saya pakai prefab.
Jadi ini kita masuk ini. Terus kita baca. Terus kalau saya mau live and date, masukin lagi tetesin prefab dulu.
Kayaknya beda itu ya Pak. Bisa nggak?
So if we the sample in uses in this one.
Yeah.
Tadi berapa liter lah gitu lah. And then we can see the total.
Yeah, the total.
For the life and death, use treatment blue, treatment.
Yeah, treatment blue. Then you can see the life cell. What's the total? What's the quality? And you can see the percent. How many percent of life cells?
Okay.
Yeah, how many percent of
So
life
the treatment blue will be dropped in here.
No. You can
Mix first and then
mix. Then put here.
mix in another place and then put in here.
Yeah.
Oh, for the red blood cell, with GMT cannot. Just for the treatment blue, just hanya dengan treatment blue aja. Kalau dengan biasanya pakai GMT kan.
You can choose non-treatment or treatment blue model.
Oh ya, for the vote. Okay.
Yeah, but for some brand like Longest, it do not have non-treatment blue model.
Okay. Ini plus ini buat apa sih?
Apa?
Oh, nambah data ini profile name ya.
Yeah, you can accept a program name here.
Auto exposure for exposure. What?
This one for like when you count like this one.
To adjust the brightness.
Yeah, if you choose the autofocus one, then that can autofocus. Yeah, so you do not to like.
Oh, ih, lucu ya.
Bagus ya.
Yeah, or maybe you can get biggest.
Geser kan biasanya nih kita kan ngegeser-geser ininya kan. Nah ini ngegesernya pakai apa?
Dari layar.
Yes. Yeah, if you choose this one, you will get the clear image without any operation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I back this one? This is console. So if I want to, if we use microscope, we usually we move with this with hand, right?
Yeah.
Nah, in this one we move with what? Maksudnya gimana sih? Maksudnya pakai apa? Mana ngejelasin tolong?
So what should we use that we want to move the
slide.
The slide.
Move to slide.
No, move
Move the image.
Yeah,
Yes, the image.
Yeah, you can use to
The
finger.
pinch.
Yeah.
Pinch like
Yeah.
this.
Or you can like this. Yeah, and this one also can connect the USB. Yeah, you can use
Oh,
mouse.
Ih, keren dong. Oke.
to USB ports. Yeah, this one and this one. One for connect the USB. Yeah, another one can use another USB to output or input the data. Yeah.
How to export the data?
If you connect the USB here, then you will see the
Previous counts. This export.
export.
Itu bentuknya apa? Excel, Word,
The format of the data is
Excel, Word, PDF.
You can export like a PDF or
You can choose.
yeah, you can choose. You can choose.
Kan belum ada, bro.
Yeah, because there's no USB, so we can't see the forms.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can choose many forms. Yeah. Yeah, because this is a
Oh,
new
ini ada
machine, so
delete-nya
you
Ini
data.
ini bisa dihapus.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
Udah delete. Ya, oke.
Yes.
Profile.
Yeah, thank you.
How to update the software?
The software,
Just
actually, that's for the engineer. If we operate a new program, then you can import to the device. So they need this kind of icon.
okay.
Yeah. But basically
Not in the USB and we
the USB download the upfront and insert here, then choose this, then you will see the program here, then just confirm, then the program will be in the device. Yeah.
So for the default, we only use this one, this slide. I mean, we don't need to use
this is closed system. Closed system, right? This can use by RWD.
Pertanyaannya sekarang, itu yang tadi ini, itu kan misinya takutnya ini bakal ada gelembung apa enggak nih? Kalau ada gelembung gimana? Kan lu ngomong gitu. Kan kalau misi suka ada gelembung tuh.
How we can remove the bubbles? Bubbles from the cell. From the pipetting.
Nah, apa ini nggak bakal menjamin tidak akan bakal ada gelembung? Apa tuh bahasanya tuh?
You can use a pipeline.
Yes.
Yeah.
We use pipette to
and,
put the cells right here.
Yeah.
And then if we produce bubble inside,
Bubble.
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 and bubble. Yeah, inside, because when we pipette, sometimes we produce air bubble, right?
Right.
Inside here, can the instrument still count or?
No, because our device gets a.
We should remove the bubble
Yes,
first.
they
How?
can drop the bubble. They can drop the bubble. They only count the cell. Only
Oh,
count the cell.
Oke.
so
Yeah.
if there is a bubble, so it's okay. We don't need to remove, or we need to remove it.
If you can move, that would be better.
Oh,
Yeah.
Cara
That would
ngomongnya
be
gimana?
more accurate.
oh.
Yeah,
Kan ini nggak mungkin ditusuk lah.
yeah, but on plastic, I identify the
Plastik.
Oh,
masukinnya jangan sampai ada bubble.
Ya kan? Siapa tahu penggunanya F1.
How to remove the bubble?
Remove the bubble. Maybe you can shake.
Oh, just shake.
Yeah, just shake.
Yeah, you can shake.
Oh,
Shake. Yeah, just shake. Yeah, but that can identify that. So don't worry too much about that.
Can I see that? Sure.
kan dulu kesalahan gue dulu itu dimarahin sama ibu banget tuh
Beth, are you okay?
I'm like that one.
I'm so happy.
yeah, she like that always there's nothing and she just laugh. Really, her business. I'm so glad.
可以机器哦，它可以记录6到4到60微米的所有的那种椭圆状的东西。
And this device not only can count the cell, that also can count like the cycle or similar with cycle. Something similar with cycle also can count. Like the cycle. Yeah, the cycle.
Oh, dia bisa gitu juga.
Like some the flower, the flower gas.
Oh,
The-
flowers.
The
Pollen.
yeah. That can count that. Just size between 4 to 60 micrometer. That also can count. Yes.
Pollen.
Yeah.
Pollen. Kalau pollen nggak sebut sari.
Harusnya ngomong find that.
Why is not started? Why I How many? 2 times?
Yeah.
What's the difference with this quick mode or normal mode?
This model. Actually, this model, just if you choose here, then that will accurate and quick to count the cell. Yeah, but if you do not click here, maybe sometimes when you set
Why
then after copy, you should choose
Like the
shape.
brightness.
Yeah.
So this is the quick mode
Quick model. Quick model, and that with the auto.
It's not quick mode.
Yes, right now it's not a quick model. That's we recommend you choose the quick model. Okay. Yes.
When we use quick mode, maybe we can change adjust in quick. We
Yeah.
adjust it quickly. Is it like that? Oh,
Yes.
you can beli sel juga.
Yeah, but you're welcome. Or maybe if you don't choose that, you also can adjust the meter. You can, but we recommend to
Use quick mode.
yeah.
To see.
Yes, and for some not a very cycle cell, you could change like the size. Yeah, you can change the size.
parameters.
Yeah, and the bright and the shape. Then they will the device will count the cell size like this per meter. Yeah, and you can adjust. Like you can choose and to see. Yeah, just perfectly. Yeah. Yeah, and then just a count. So that will count based on your parameter. Oh, yes.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
So we mix the sample first. Mix the sample and tripangu first, and then dispense into the slide.
Yeah, into slide.
Yeah, inside
Yeah, no,
we usually
don't
dispense the sample and then mix the treatment group in the slide. On the slide, I mean.
Biasanya aku di parafil. Usually I mix it on the parafil.
That's the way sometimes that before
Biasanya nggak
Yes.
kalau minyak kalau dia bentuknya itu dia nggak jatuh ke bawah, dia bakal bisa sedimentasi. Biasanya. Iya, biasanya.
So does it need calibration? Does it need calibration? Yeah. Calibration means, for example, if the counting is not so accurate anymore, or it always be accurate.
and always be
Oh,
accurate.
okay.
Yeah. Because we do many tests before. Yeah, so
Jalan-jalan
it's really
dipisah-pisah lagi di waterpad kan
Iya.
pakai slide kan.
Iya. Iya.
Oke, paham.
Terus habis
Oh,
itu-
di lock di sini.
habis itu pakai apa coba Mbak? Asen dibagi. Kita cek rabies.
or maybe shall we take a picture?
Oh, sure, sure.
Friends, let's take a picture.
Yang mesti dibersihkan.
Guys.
When you only use one function, you should rotate the handle one side.
Just one cycle.
So it's very comfortable for the function.
Frozen meat, frozen meat.
Nugget. Frozen nugget. Frozen chicken wing.
You can, when you rotate the handle one side, you can hear two small sounds. One, two.
Oh.
So when you close this function, you should.
Iya. Masa sih ini saya pernah taruh di mana kan?
Sampelnya
Di tengah-tengah itu.
di sini sampelnya ini parafin cube
Bloknya.
parafin bloknya.
Karena dulu pas S1 kita kan pakai pisau biasa ya.
Oh iya, betul sekali.
Udah jangan gangga ya.
Jangan aku.
Pakai pisau biasa pas yang kayu ngiris. Iya.
Pas material kok tebel itu loh. Hitam semua.
We get already. We get already.
Misalkan dia bagian motor bisa kita pakai
Itu dia.
Oh my god.
kalau gitu sampelnya bisa.
Kayaknya sih paling motornya belum dipasang.
Oh. Kira-kira bisa muter begini tadi. Kemarin katanya bisa memposisikan.
Iya, cuman kayaknya nggak sampai terbalik gitu loh kayak
Mau pakai jari kamu?
Itu bukan lock key, kita makanya.
Iya, kemarin itu katanya bisa kita memposisikan apa? Saat memotong itu bisa menggerakkan sampelnya sampai berapa derajat potongannya. Nggak
Coba. Pisaunya dipasang dulu dong. Masa nggak ada pisaunya?
ini bisa dapat nggak?
beneran lo dikeluarin loh.
Kita mau main gaper.
Yang rutin harus dibersihkan pisaunya doang.
Just one up.
Iya.
For different organs, do we need different blade?
Only this.
Oh.
Oh iya.
Beda organ beda macam bapak.
Beda
Beda
blade.
Iya.
Kemarin katanya satu
Kemarin katanya sama kan?
Apa sih? So this is for universal.
Kemarin ada apa ya? Kemarin kan
Universal.
ada jaringan itu kan banyak pada lemak ada
Just one kind.
Yeah, this is this article. The consumable, but one piece we can use for 20 to 30 tons.
Nanti saya memberikan
But
lihat.
for that can use for all kind of
Kalau ada list saya katakan
tissue, right? Sample. For the cup, can yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh iya.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Bisa buat semuanya.
Nanti kita bisa
Tadi saya tanya dia bilang bingung bisa.
Satu kali itu buat 32 kali, tapi bisa untuk semuanya.
Jadi kita nggak perlu ganti.
Iya.
Iya.
Jadi mau dia tulang memberikan
Kalau udah nyampe tuh 32 kali ganti.
Iya, maksudnya kalau belum 32 kali terus pengen
Cepat aja lagi.
Kalau dia gini kan setengah dia itu gimana?
For the high,
So if we use the blood only 10 times, we
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
have
yeah,
to remove
you
the blood,
can
right?
put the high protein.
Oh, depends.
Yeah, but it's like if you have some very hard tissue, maybe the
Oh, it's not sharp enough. Yeah, depends. Jadi kalau
depends.
misalnya dia terlalu keras, udah ngerti takutnya nggak tajam. Iya.
Kalau nggak tajam pakai omongan mulut paksa aja.
Kita selalu dah.
for the user, they will change the
Tapi kerasa kok filmnya.
Oh ini pakai
Ini
pilih.
pakai tangan,
Iya, kan kita nggak bisa feeling kalau misalnya otomatis otomatis dari jauh feelingnya.
Jadi sudah saja ke tangan.
Oh iya benar.
Oh,
Mungkin waktu sebelum
Satisfy?
kita pakai otomatis lagi,
Yes.
kita coba dulu pakai kan bisa pakai biasa dulu kan. Tapi kalau bunyi ngerti nggak enak berarti itu.
Belumnya dulu kan
Iya
sebelum
mungkin
baca
sebelum
ringan.
kita otomatis dicoba dulu yang produknya nggak sih?
streaming.
Iya.
Streaming.
Iya tuh. Ih, itu solusinya. Gimana sih kita?
Dulu pakai kata pas dia.
Tapi gue nggak ngerti. Saya ada
Kayaknya udah pernah waktu kali.
Beda kan kita ya.
Message-nya udah dapat ya?
Iya.
Oke ya. Consumable-nya gue udah hafal ya.
Iya.
Ya.
Consumable yang mana yang bisa dijual ke yang mana. Jadi bisa dijual ke alat lain juga yang si blade-nya.
Iya.
Oh iya kita punya blade-nya. Ada stok juga 5.
Iya.
Oh bagus loh. Penting kan? Penting nggak? Penting kan?
Universal blade.
Universal blade.
Iya.
Enggak. Oke, soalnya kita ada janji ketemu customer lagi di situ.
Iya.
Oh.
Bye. Thank you. Bye bye.
So, thank you, Chloe.
Iya.
See you.
Kan besok ya. Bukan, yang pertama besok. Iya.
So, let's turn off.
Ini ada yang tulis di sini.
Kita tolong di packing ulang ya.
Oke, baik. Siap.
Makan dulunya nggak apa-apa nanti bisa pakai.
Oh iya. Baik. Pak, tapi saya tidak lihat ini sama customer ini, Pak.
Udah nanti pas DM. This your instinct.
Oke, sure.